Halo guys, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh guys. Selamat pagi semuanya guys ya. Welcome buat kalian semua yang nonton live ataupun replay ya guys ya. Pagi ini seperti biasa day 2. Apa ini prediksi? Disisit gak sih guys? Onyx guys, disisit ya. Langsung saja. Ini menang siapa nih guys? Ini gue udah ini ya. Waduh, Yangon kah? DFYG timnya si ini ya, timnya si siapa namanya, Super Ken ya. Nggak kedengeran deh lagunya dah. Sabar ya, klaim dulu nggak sih? Ini copyright kah? Belum. Copyright tidak weh. Copyright nggak ya? Tidak tahu. Ram lagi guys, again and again.
Please ban a hero. Your team is banning.
Rata-rata yang main mid lane bisa gold lane juga ya tuh.
The enemy is picking.
Haya lepas sih Haya. Oh apa dia?
Your team is picking.
Kita main Franco lagi nggak sih? Franco Gaming ya.
Lightning reveals all. The enemy is picking. Among the planes exists the equilibrium, which
Aduh,
allows
Leslie lagi
to
guys.
lead the charge. Your team is picking. Hope will find a way, even when all is forlorn. The enemy is picking. I am the moonlight that breaks through the darkness.
Power of Pegasus!
Your team is picking.
I'm born with talent.
Let's go.
Welcome to Mobile Legends. 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them. All troops deployed.
Pasti ada Hilda sih. Butuh bantuan nggak sih?
Teach you guys a lesson! Real fighter never runs!
Tenang aja guys. Udah gue prediksi pasti ada Hilda bro.
Understood.
One shot, one kill!
Request backup.
Bateri, nice. Gak dapet dong.
Let me teach you some
MM-nya dia Mia ya? Mia-nya balik kah?
Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat.
Nice, itu loh. Mundur, mundur, mundur. Lihat map, lihat map. Nah, ada gila-gilanya juga nih Leslie ya.
time to teach you guys a lesson!
bisa dong.
Invading jungle. Thanks. Request backup.
One shot, one kill.
Slain. Ally has been slain. Superb damage. Well played.
Hayanya nggak jelas ya, Haya nggak jelas karena dirusuh bro. Aman aja, aman.
I'm gonna teach you some rules, Cubs.
Enemy invading jungle.
Kita makan mie-nya nggak sih?
Ult is ready.
Real fighter never runs.
Oh, mati dong gua.
Solo kill.
Bisa yuk, lihat game yuk. Kita main lihat game aja bro.
One shot, one kill.
Nah lu salah ini itu dia. Mati Hayanya bro.
Has been slain.
What the hell man?
Attack.
I'm gonna teach you some rules, Cubs.
Killing spree. Request backup. Okay. Initiate retreat. Ult is ready. Stable network.
Sini.
Time to teach you guys a lesson.
Shut down.
Anjir lah. Pinter dia narik itunya dia.
The enemy has
Nggak bisa, bro.
slain the turtle.
Tenang.
One shot, one kill.
Unstable network.
Hey, the enemy's missing.
Unstable.
Hey, the enemy's missing.
Initiate retreat.
Alas ya boy. Mana ya
Request
I'm
backup.
gonna teach you some rules, Cubs.
Ini nggak ada ulti bro. Sumpah dah.
Ult is ready. Request backup. Ult is ready.
Time to teach you guys a lesson.
Turret has been destroyed. An enemy has been slain.
Duh nggak kena lagi the hell man.
Request backup. Our turret has been destroyed. Your team destroyed the turret.
A real fighter never runs.
Ult is not ready.
Yeah. Time to teach you guys a lesson.
Enemy battle spell on not ready. Ult is not ready.
Aduh Aduh, nggak ada flicker, nggak ada ulti ya.
The enemy has slain the turtle.
Initiate retreat.
Main net game aja nggak sih bro?
Initiate retreat.
Kita nih hero satu momen ini gua nih.
Our turret is under attack. We're behind in goal.
Gotta teach you some rules, cuz.
Miskin banget sih emang sih.
One shot, one kill. A real fighter never runs.
Anjir, kok ini sih imun dia. Wih, hayanya cok, nggak ada rasanya anjir haya. Masih belum ada damage bro.
Gotta teach you some rules,
Masih belum
cuz.
ada damage guys.
Behind in goal.
A real fighter never runs.
Nggak bisa sih, lepas aja bro, lepas aja bro.
One shot, one kill.
The enemy has slain Lord.
Mana nih si jungle-nya? Oh tuh dia tuh. Blunder dia. Kok nggak mati guys?
Our turret has been destroyed. Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Time to teach you guys a lesson.
Our inhibitor
Tuh loh,
ult is not ready.
tenang masih ada hero satu momen kita bro.
Not ready. Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Ini kagak ada damage banget anjay. Aman sih, kena bantu ini turret ya. Ya, anjay malah ulti guys.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Gotta teach you some rules, cuz.
Mundur. Malah ulti loh.
Ult is not ready.
A real fighter never runs.
Ult is ready.
Time to teach you guys a lesson.
Initiate retreat.
One shot, one kill.
Tahuan ya atasnya.
A real fighter never runs.
Hey, help. Nah itu loh.
The kill.
Thank you. Time to teach you guys a lesson.
Gue bikin ini kah? Flatting time kah?
One shot, one kill.
Kabur. Jangan digas, bro. Ini aja nih gasnya.
Gather up the Lord.
Let me teach you some rules, cuz.
Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat. Battle spell cooldown. You have slain an enemy. Ult is
Time to
ready.
teach you guys a lesson. One shot, one kill.
Itu loh, ya kan? Itu loh guys. Kita nunggu momen aja guys. Satu momen guys.
Launch attack.
Nggak ada, dibiarin.
Let me teach you some rules, cuz.
Kalau kayak gini TB-in aja. Oh, si ini aja kemana nih? Bawah ada yang habis ngambil merah nih, gue lihat-lihat. Sini kah?
Thank you.
Sorry.
Nggak bisa cowok, ini harus gimana ya? Kita ngepus bawah dulu, nggak sih? Bawah.
Launch attack.
Bawah dulu.
Real fighter never runs.
Launch attack.
Ada orang anjir. Ini ya nih. Ya kan? Enggak mati guys. What the hell man? Nianya gak mati begir. Terusin aja nggak sih? Itu TB bro.
Our inhibitor turret has been destroyed. Keep an eye on it. Initiate retreat.
Oh, di flickerin ya. Flicker dulu.
Enemy battle spell on CD.
Tarik. Ini. Kacau men.
Real fighter never runs.
Itu kalau tadi gua nggak flicker mati tuh guys, Aduh, nggak kenal lagi.
Ult is not ready.
Ini guys nih.
Attack.
Blunder banget ya, guys. Ya, jangan maju-maju nggak sih bro? Pada. Nice, 2 tuh. Nah, itu loh. Kita buat ini nggak sih?
Battle spell attack.
Tuh bisa. Comeback nih yakin gua. Orangnya dulu nggak sih? Ya Allah, dia malah ini guys.
Killing spree.
Dia malah ulti loh.
Superb tanking.
Mungkin panik kali ya.
Time to teach you guys a lesson.
Amazing.
Jangan di clear.
Initiate retreat.
One shot,
Mid,
one
gas.
Launch attack. Team destroyed a turret.
Ini dong, Aya, woi. Dia kan mentang-mentang nggak punya ini tadi.
fighter never runs.
Mentang-mentang dari tadi nggak ada ini dia. Nggak ada buff. curi-curi dia.
Time to teach you guys a lesson.
Ciur.
Is ready.
Atas nggak sih? Atas bro, atas bro.
Launch attack.
Ini lu berempat lu.
Launch
Gotta
attack.
teach you some rules, Cubs.
Launch attack.
Anjir, takut dia. Gas, 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 gas. Anjir, kena ini dia.
Shut down.
Bro. C2 itu malah ke atas, anjir.
Well played.
Ini, makan dulu nih. Enggak mati kah? Mati semua itu lu. Jangan di ulti ya sih. Ya Allah, di ulti bro. Jangan di ulti Leslie. Ya ampun, di ulti cok. Padahal udah OP banget Leslie lu. Wait, Leslie. Leslie map.
Keep an eye on that.
Takut di ulti dia.
Launch attack. Initiate
Ini
retreat.
gue cok malah di ulti ya orang mah. Harusnya sih gua belum tebel sih, tapi udah 10.000 anjir ini gua. Tebelan Hilda beliin dia.
Initiate retreat.
Gotta teach you some rules, Cubs.
Well played.
タートルを攻撃しよう。
Attack the Lord. Gather at the Lord.
One shot, one kill.
Initiate retreat.
Gue jadi ragu-ragu mau narik guys. Gila 2 hit bro, what the hell man. Ya gak mati dong. Anjir, tipis banget bro. What the fuck man.
Launch attack.
The fuck man, tipis banget.
Launch attack. Launch attack. Request backup. Your team destroyed a turret.
Aduh, nggak ada minion ya.
Initiate retreat.
Mundur, nggak ada minion bro. Mundur. Buset, dimajuin ya ampun.
Initiate retreat. Launch attack.
Sabar minion dulu.
Initiate retreat.
Gotta teach you some rules, Cubs. One shot, one kill.
Ini kalau defense nggak bisa sih.
teach you guys a lesson.
Nah, ini udah alin-alinan bro. Nggak bisa udah. Salah tadi ya, nggak bisa sih, emang kalau di war sih kita bro. Iya, disini jago sih Leslie, jago bro, jago Leslie sebenarnya. Ente lah match pertama ente. Gila udah jauh-jauh banget ya ente anjay. Udah berapa menit main bro? GG sih tapi hampir ya comeback ya guys ya. Tapi GG sih ke bawah sampai late game. Lord ke berapa tadi tuh? 3 ya? 3 apa 2 ya? Ragu sih tadi gue ya, sorry ya. Gue kira tuh Leslie tadi damage-nya tuh belum cukup buat ke Hilda kan. Kalau gue ulti Hilda takutnya nggak instan mati bro. Tahu damage-nya udah cukup dia. Apa nih? Kita main gold kah? Gantian kah? Wah dia bakal main sabar nih TB. Sora gak sih? Sora Ben Sora kesusahan lawan Sora lu. Nah kan Saber di ban kan. Duluan tuh si ini siapa? Gwyn boleh Gwyn.
I love the smell of gunpowder in the morning.
The southern seas are my domain.
Tadi itemnya Leslie apa ya? Lumayan sakit sih dia.
Hayabusa, Sanjo.
Please pick a hero.
Aduh mager lagi ketemu Haya bro. Apa ya guys ya? Ketemu Haya bejir masalahnya.
Give me a target.
I'm Yin, and I won't lose myself.
Ini pakai emblem fighter kenapa ya? Penetnya 14, 10, movement 3. Physical attack ya, physical attack. Boleh kali ya, coba kali ya. Aduh, Digi lagi, Digi Xia kah?
Lenden plays a
Karology is my
hero.
craft. Your Diggy is
I
my
will be
name.
the truth this world desperately needs.
Tapi nggak dapat penet ya dia. Boleh sih, kayaknya nyoba enak nih. Gue coba deh. Tapi nggak dapat penet sih dia, ya udahlah. Ini kita ini aja ngasih,
With a spear is a fortress.
karena kan sudah pada hybrid defense-nya tuh. Di Gixi ya kan. Tapi dia nggak terlalu tebel sih, iya nggak sih? Kita juga nggak tebel ya.
It's my way or the highway.
Gue cobain fighter deh. Left-nya kayaknya kenceng ya. Penasarannya sih, penasaran. Itemnya nggak perlu ganti kan? Ini ketemu lawan yang tadi nggak nih?
Welcome to Mobile Legends. 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them. All victory's calling.
They'd better run faster than my bullets.
Enggak deh, kayaknya enggak. Enggak deh, kayaknya nggak ketemu yang tadi.
Courage to take my bullets.
Aduh, di Gixi ya bro. Aduh, nggak bisa dong. Minion gua kalah dong ini dong.
Loyalty is my best spotting scope.
Diginya enggak deh, ngebantu dulu Diginya bro.
First blood.
That was amazing. That was amazing. I am neither the hungry wolf nor the sacrificial lamb.
Launch attack.
Understood.
Dia ngambil. Oh, PR banget sih. Kena anjir.
Done target practice.
Lumayan jago nih Frankie De Jong. Mati dong gua.
Sorry.
My bad.
The master plan is unchanged. Where did Harley go? Haven't seen him for a while. One shot, one kill.
Gather at the turtle. Okay.
Nice try.
Retreat. Attack the turtle.
Tuh kenapa gua pakai healing ya?
Ally has slain the turtle.
Dia bisa aja ulti nih bro. The fuck man.
Not one shot wasted.
Nggak bisa sih.
Eye on the target.
Nggak bisa juga gue solo kill juga susah ya.
One shot, one kill.
Karena bro,
Come a little closer.
lumayan ya asis ya, lumayan ya.
Enemy in range. And you are too.
Initiate retreat.
One shot.
Initiate retreat.
Walk you down. Death kisses you.
Nggak ada sakit-sakitnya mas emblem ginian bro. Malah nyamperin gua, fuck man.
Better gear.
Slain an enemy.
Tapi lumayan sih.
Gather up the turtle.
I am neither the hungry
Iya kan, jadi nggak mati gue di ulti Kadita bro. Wow, bagus sih, bagus. Nggak mati gue di ulti Kadita
nowhere
bro.
to run.
Request backup.
Understood. Where did Harley go? Haven't seen him for a while.
Initiate retreat.
Lumayan ya berarti ya.
Slain.
Kalau buat lawan-lawan tebel nih bisa nih.
Come a little closer.
An ally has slain the turtle.
No one's ever been too far.
Our turret has been destroyed. Team destroyed the turret. Request backup.
Ajar, karet dia.
Solo kill. You have slain an enemy.
One down. Not one shot. Focus.
Yang penting mah minion lasit aja nggak sih?
One shot. One kill.
Hilang nih Haya nih.
Attack. Your team destroyed the turret. Launch attack. Launch attack.
Understood. Target on the move. One shot.
Your team destroyed the turret.
One shot. One kill.
Keep an eye on them. Killing spree.
Wah mati kah gua?
Our turret is under attack.
Target locked.
Mega kill.
Anjir, teman-teman gue kayak juga bro. Sabar dulu masih bro. Ini butuh darah bro. Buset, dikejar terus nih.
Killing spree. Good game.
Boleh tau dikejar terus bro.
One shot, one kill. Nowhere to run.
Beware of ambush.
Enemy in range. And you are too.
Iya, tahu gua. Itu loh.
Launch attack.
Eye on the target. Focus. Target locked.
Wah anjir, langsung mati dong. Gak ngeliat dia, udah kabita bro. Udah ulti dia, udah ulti. Sumpah, gak bohong gua, udah ulti dia. Sumpah, udah ulti. Itu loh. Jilong menang ya, Jilong ya. Jilong menang bro lawan sini. Sampai dia bikin ituan guys, anti kures guys, gelo. What a play Jilong.
Launch attack.
Segitu sakitnya tadi.
Slain an enemy. Launch attack.
Di ulti.
Slain. Attack the Lord.
Aduh anjir. Aduh kena itunya. Nggak expect gua ada Haya di situ bro. Kira Haya datang dari sini kan, set ya kan. Datang dari belakang, dia dari sini dia. Sakit juga Jilong ya, pakai emblem solo kan dia. Oh iya, pakai emblem solo deh.
Unchanged.
Launch attack.
Better gear, better aim.
Siapa dapat guys? Lordnya guys, kita guys.
Eye on the target.
Our turret has been destroyed.
One shot, one kill. Nowhere to run.
Our turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed.
Focus. Loyalty is my best spotting scope.
Ini kasih bawah bro.
Initiate
One
retreat.
shot, one kill. Not one shot wasted.
Launch attack.
Focus.
Your team destroyed a turret.
I am neither the hungry wolf nor the sacrificial lamb.
Ally has been
Target locked. One shot, one kill.
Ah, the fuck man.
slain an enemy. Initiate retreat.
Mengerikan.
Dead before they knew me.
Mengerikan.
For a refill.
Sabar ya, gue belum jadi nih item ini nih. Balik kasih bro, balik kasih bro. Duh.
Our turret is under attack.
Tekeng lordnya ngasih lord.
Request backup. Slain. Attack the Lord. Launch attack. Attack the Lord.
Target locked. One shot, one kill.
Gila, dia dapat 2 kali dong. Aduh, nggak kena bro.
Nowhere to run.
Monster kill. Request backup.
Enemy in range. And you are too. Target locked. No one's ever been too far.
Your team destroyed the turret.
Tunggu Digi.
Team destroyed the turret.
Digi bentar lagi hidup tuh. Tarik, ya Allah.
Team destroyed the turret. Ally has been slain.
Duh, Haya di situ lagi.
One shot, one kill.
Aduh, nggak bisa nggak sih.
One shot,
Gue
one
mending
kill.
bikin apa ya guys ya?
One shot, one kill. Nice try.
BOD kali ya, bagus ya. Kalau bikin pistol dia ininya defense-nya dikit banget dia.
One shot, one kill.
Good game.
This would help.
Launch attack. Initiate retreat. Good game. Launch attack.
Mati gak sih dia? Gila lo.
That was amazing.
Gila, gara-gara siapa tuh guys? Franco ya guys ya. Bukan gara-gara gua, bukan lah.
Launch attack.
Understood. Instant kill. One shot, one kill.
Itu loh guys.
Victory.
Gelo, las teori las ya. Kita teori las guys. Nah, dapat Rom lagi dia.
Your team is banning.
Karena udah hampir sejam nih kita bro.
Ban a hero.
Bro kayak nggak sih?
The enemy is picking.
Harimau mana ya? Gue pengen coba healing dah, healer gak sih healer? Tapi XP-nya harus tebel ya, ini Sun.
Your team is picking.
This time, the choice is mine.
Gas itu Sun udah.
So, who's next?
The enemy is picking.
Football and games, two of my favorites.
The hunt begins.
Please pick a hero.
The hot begin. Ganti lagi ya gue lagi nggak tahu ya kenapa ya
Through the darkness.
di season ini lagi enak banget pakai Franco bro. Kayak apa ya, kayak mood banget gitu narik-narikin orang ya kan.
Gaze upon the edge
Your
of the
team
void.
is picking.
Let's hear those cheers. It's time to set this celebration ablaze.
Tapi Leslie apa namanya emblem fighter boleh sih. Tadi tuh gue pilih gak tuh, gue nyobain tadi guys dari ini. Wih, nggak pakai flicker ya. Oke, catat tidak pakai flicker ya. Oke. Narik ya, dia nggak dorong ya.
To Mobile Legends. 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them.
Gue ini
All
dulu.
troops deployed. Request back. Understood.
Gue juga ada bro. Kita nggak usah rusuh nggak sih guys, kita pecinta damai bro.
Time to teach you guys a lesson.
First blood.
Ya ampun.
Sorry.
Think it. Real fighter never runs.
Gue ambil lah.
Initiate retreat.
Jago nih, gue lihat-lihat ya. Jago Bruno jago ya, gue akui Bruno jago nih guys. Bisa main dia guys.
Enemy battle
Wih,
spell
tadi
on
dia.
CD.
Kita item OP dulu masih.
Stable network. Launch attack.
Real fighter never runs.
Ally initiate retreat.
Mia. Ini gue dia bantuin lo. Maju lah.
Reach level 4. Enemy reach level 4.
Wah, Bruno harus mati dulu sih guys, satu guys minimal.
Reach level 4.
Time to teach you guys a lesson.
Initiate retreat.
Gonna teach you some rules, Cubs.
Kayaknya tech speed lagi pas ya, kita bikin item baru dulu guys. Cocok soalnya Esme kan Chang'e-nya ini kan ya.
One shot, one kill.
Anjir. Mati sih dia. Hah?
Control. Superb tanking.
Well played.
Late game tapi Mia enak sih guys. Late game Mia enak bro, serius.
Launch attack.
Understood.
Nice.
A real fighter never runs.
Attack the turtle.
Understood.
Aduh, kena bro. Aduh, miskom kan, miskom.
Initiate retreat.
Understood.
Ult is not ready.
Tuh, gue bawain bos lu.
Initiate retreat. Ally has been slain.
Gas lagi kan? Nggak ada ulti gue.
Not ready. Ult.
Mianya mati lagi, yes, mati dua dia.
Sorry.
Hang in there.
Initiate retreat.
Enemy ult on CD.
Initiate retreat. Ally has been slain.
Thank you.
Enemy invading jungle.
Enemy has slain the turtle. Our turret has been destroyed. Ally has been slain.
Gonna teach you some rules, Cubs.
Your team destroyed our turret under attack.
Dikit banget lagi.
Time to teach you guys a lesson. Yeah.
Initiate retreat. Our turret under attack.
Enemy invading jungle.
One shot, one kill.
Enggak gini, kalau gue ke atas nih gimana nih liatnya?
Request backup.
Ini harus Bruno-nya dulu sih, mati 1, mati 2 deh.
Time to teach you guys a lesson.
Ambil tuh. Ini mah kagak perlu itunya ya.
Ult is not ready. Initiate retreat.
Understood.
Ult is ready.
Nih,
Launch attack. You have slain an enemy.
Let me teach you some rules, Cubs.
Request backup.
Real fighter never run.
Killing spree. Our turret is under attack.
buset Damianya kalah mulu, bro.
Enemy battle spell on CD.
One shot, one
Nggak bisa ini Mie kalah terus.
Ult is not ready. Initiate retreat. Mega kill.
Karat tuh. Aduh, nggak mati dong. Cooldown tadi kalau nggak cooldown juga gua udah ulti.
Is under attack. Attack the Lord.
Understood.
Tapi jago sih Fanny-nya guys.
one shot, one kill.
Our turret is under attack.
Let me teach you some rules, Cubs.
Apa sih dia kalah mulu, bro?
Launch attack. Your team destroyed a turret. Unstoppable.
Wih, astaga. Malah mundur loh, dia nggak ngeliat gua kah? Aduh, anjir lah. Ini juga cuma
Double kill.
flicker dia.
Triple kill.
Bila-bila ini flicker dia guys, flicker.
Ult is not ready.
Kayak gue harus beli ini dulu dah. Fleeting time.
Time to teach you guys a lesson.
Team destroyed a turret.
One shot, one kill.
Wow. Wow. Malah malah ke bawah ke Mia. Astaga, ngakak gue, bro.
Turret.
Malah ke Mia ya gue bawanya ya. Gue kira tadi Xavier, bro. Gue tolong minta bantuan ini ngastun. Tapi Mia. No ulti ya.
Teach you some rules.
Tadinya gitu sih emang. Siapa nickname itu dia? Riz. Tuh loh, gua flickerinnya langsung kepalanya guys, ke depan mukanya gua flickerin. Gedek banget gua, gedek. Nah, gua tarik lagi. Dia maju, gua mundurin lagi guys. Gagal maniak bro. Gagal maniak deh. Yes. Anjir, kena dua anjir. Yes. Maju kocak. Tuh, mau kasih makanan tuh. Wih, itu gue kasih makanan wih. Ya ampun, aturan orang dulu ngasih bro. Gila, good ending.
Victory!
Wah, lumayan bau sih tadi. Tarik-tarikan gue lumayan bau ya. Oke, jadi mungkin cukup sampai di sini aja guys ya. Terima kasih banyak guys buat yang nonton live ataupun replay ya guys ya. Bye bye.